Hi everyone! Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to all. Kung saan man pong panig kayo ng mundo ngayon nandoon, hello po sa inyong lahat. So, mag-shopping haul lang po ako ng aking mga napamili sa Marshalls. And mostly po dito ay mga facial skincare and hand soap. Ayan. So, sisimulan ko na po. Ito ang day cream na aking nakuha with retinol and vitamin E, and this one is made in Korea and the amount is $5.99, or we can just round it up to $6. Then ang night cream, ayan, with collagen as well, and this is made in London, ayan, and the price is $5.99. Lifting Eye Serum with retinol and peptides, made in Korea, and it's $6.99. Serum, Advanced Clinicals, and this one is made in the USA, which is $5.99. Then, nanguha din ako ng hydrating spray, which is first time. So, para pag nandito yung aking mga manugang, meron silang magagamit na spray. Ayan. So, this is made in USA and the brand is Color Love and the amount is $5.99. Ayan. Skin Aesthetics. Facial Face Mask, Replenishing Sheet Mask. It's with retinol and vitamin E and made in Korea, and the amount is $4.99. Next is vitamin C and collagen. Same content din po, 5 pieces and the same amount as well, $4.99. Then ang next ko naman po is firming face mask, collagen and peptides. So, 5 din po ang laman yan and made in Korea. It's same amount po, $4.99. Then, 24K Gold Collagen. 5 pieces, $4.99 and made in Korea. Yan. Then, ito naman ang ating mga hand soap. This one, may Sicilian Orange na scent. This one has Sunflower Citrus hand soap. And syempre, ang aking favorite color, Lavender Lilac. Ayan. So, $4.99 po siya isa. Yan. Which is round up to $5 na. Then, nakita ko tong magandang notebook. Cute siya and sale ng $4. And this one is made in Europe. Okay? Then, ang aking asawa, namili din ng kaldero. This is 12-quart stock pot ang tawag. Kasi, pag magpiprito daw siya ng crispy pata, which is malaki kasi ang crispy pata, itong kanyang gagamitin. And one more time. 20 quart. Ayan, malaki. 20 quart po siya na stock pot. Ayan. Dito naman niya palalambutin yung mga gagawin niyang crispy pata and sisig. Ayan. So, this one is $40. And this one is $24.99. Ayan. So, maraming salamat po sa panonood ninyo ng aking video. Thank you so much. Have a good day, everyone.